realize I just got to know you what they want that make it right. Right, so when you wait from that home, I've been fine.
ऐसा उलझा जिया बैठे ही बैठे
Every single point you turn all around, say I've let you down, that I no longer know you. How could you say to me that I've lost my way when you're walking away and I'm winning again? Every time the smallest thing goes wrong, girl, you're out the door. You don't wanna deal with this pain anymore. Why don't you understand that some things won't come easy? every work with me, girl. It'll just take some time. I'm not letting go. Yeah, girl, that's for sure. Won't catch me walking out, so okay, let's work it out. Not letting go. Yeah, girl, that's for sure. Won't catch me walking out, so okay, let's work it out. Letting go. Yeah, girl, that's for sure. Won't catch me walking out, so okay, let's work it out. Letting go. Yeah, girl, that's for sure. Won't catch me walking out, so okay, let's work it out.
Once again, here we go through that old procedure. You screaming it's over between us, but I don't believe ya. You such a diva, a drama queen. Girl, why you blowing up like a summer's bean? What you want an argument? Well, I ain't speaking. We come too far now, and I ain't leaving. If we got a problem, let's get on top of it. We ain't gotta split, we can conquer it. But we gotta quit overreacting. Imagine just last night we're romancing. First passion, now we be clashing. I don't know what's happening, you throwing a tantrum. As a man, I'm making a first move. You know I never do nothing to blatantly hurt you. We got a situation to work through, but patience a virtue, and baby it takes two. So
I'm not letting go. Yeah, girl, that's for sure.
I ain't letting you go.
Won't catch me walking out, so